We take this cart everywhere we go to film, and it's always a complete disaster. It's time to clean it up. Challenge accepted. We take this cart everywhere because it holds all of the equipment that we use, from gloves, computers, monitors, on a day of filming. Now, what I'm thinking is on the back of this cart, we have this bar here. It's already got tapped holes and we never use it. So what a great opportunity to mount a little basket on the back of this. We don't want it to be too large and bulky as we take this into tight places. If I rest a little L bracket over the top, use these as a backrest, I think this is a great opportunity to take a lot of the junk up here, put it in here so that when we're moving it, it's nice and secure and we get this back as a workplace. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and reverse this, get it into CAD and design our basket. So jumping into Fusion, I already have the main cart components that we're looking at reversed, and I located 2 of the main holes just using a tape measure to rough them in on the design, and I'm gonna use that as our main locating feature. What we're gonna do is just create that sheet metal body that wraps around that bar and have those through holes that I'm gonna slot to have a little bit more room for the assembly here. And the last thing we're gonna do is just angle a bracket down that's gonna locate up against the pipes on the outside so that it's not trying to twist as it's sitting on the cart, and we can add a little bit more weight to the box. From here, we have the main component of the box done. Since this is such a deep pocket, I created a 2-part design here, with the front face having an L or a U shape and the back face locating into that. We're gonna use some 1/8" rivets to combine these 2 pieces together, having a good secure fit. It's also something that's easy and readily available in the shop. You know what? Now that I look at it, I think I just took everything and shoved it into a bin, and there needs to be way more organization. So let's take this back to the drawing board and make it a little bit better. All right, back in Fusion here, to add a little bit more accessories, we're gonna end up having our mic box have a specific pocket on the outside, as well as the batteries that we use in the charging station on the outside as well. I did this just creating an offset using the depth of our mic box. It's just gonna slide right down in there. And on these inside tabs, since we can't close them up completely on the CNC, I'm gonna create a hand bent option here. We're just gonna attach these using some hardware installation or PEM hardware. Additionally, let's go ahead and make this thing way nicer by having a nice wrinkle black powder coat on it. And with the accessory features, I'm gonna have them powder coated red just to have a nice 2-tone to our design here. So on one side of the box here, I'm gonna create a cable management system. We're just gonna do this using a standard rectangle. I'm gonna have like an L or U-shaped bend that pops out on each side. And we're gonna end up having a little tabs that kind of hold on to it. We're gonna add some radiuses, soften up the corners, and then just add some aesthetics of thinning it out in the middle. Again, using hardware or PEM hardware installed to do the securing in the very end. And lastly, on the other side, we're gonna be adding a cup holder. We're always having different drinks and stuff that we're carrying around. This is a great way to create a non-spill situation as well. Clean and organized, challenge complete.